A slip knot is the kind of knot that you need to start almost all crochet projects with. First, I'm going to wrap the yarn around my fingers twice, forming an X as I do. So cross one over top of the other. Then I'm going to insert my hook underneath the string closest to the tip of my middle finger and grab the piece of yarn from the back and pull it underneath. Then I'm just going to pull it up and release my fingers and tighten up my knot onto my hook. Let me do that one more time. Wrap around twice with a crossover. Going below the cross to grab the back yarn and pull it up through. It's pretty simple. Once you get the hang of it, you're more than likely to get your own system down. Hope this video helped you learn how to make a slip knot. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that bell so you can get notifications when I release new videos.